There they go, up the hill in our backyard. It's January, what is it? Today's the 18th. Today's Sunday the 18th. We got some fresh snow on top of other snow. Naomi is sledding in our yard. Whoa! Oh! Oops. Was that fun? Do you want to go again? Yeah, okay. There you go. Mommy will stand in front of the fence this time. And here she comes.
Are you ready?
Oh! Is that good? Again? Again, Daddy, again! There you go. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
She'll just go straight down.
All right.
Ready? Bye-bye.
Woo! Was that fun? You want to go again? Again, again.
Can you wave to Mommy? Hi, Mommy.
Hi. Whoa.